Hey, good morning to you, Chuck here at Pals. We're in the back room with the T-Bird engine. Jimmy's assembling to get ready to put back in the car once he reseals the transmission. Then he's going to rewire the car actually before he puts the engine and transmission back in. Then add air conditioning, and voila, the car will be done. As you can see, he's putting this thing together painstakingly carefully. We don't want to have any leaks when we're done. And as you can see, the block's red, and we've got some orange, and we got some regular metal colors, and then he cleaned the valley pan up, and it's primered. We're actually going to repaint the entire thing so it's all one color. This engine will look sharp when it goes back in the car, and the customer will be able to take it to the Village Car Show and show off his nice T-Bird with air conditioning. That's right, air conditioning is real important in Florida. And so if you have a classic or antique car that doesn't have air because it didn't exist when it was built, bring it to Pals. We can install vintage air or some other form of air conditioning in your car so you stay nice and cool on those hot days. Anyway, I'll keep you updated on the T-Bird. Have a great day, and we'll be back in touch. Hope to see you soon at Pals with your project.